House help is one of those things Indian households still largely find through neighbors, building guards, and WhatsApp groups. But that market is rapidly moving to your smartphone. Yes, on Sunday, Snapit and Urban Company's Insta Help both crossed 1 lakh completed house help jobs in a single day. At some locations, 1 hour of household help was being offered for just 29 rupees. Urban Company was even offering 30 minutes for 19 rupees during promotional pricing. For consumers, this sounds like a fantastic deal. But what exactly can you get for rupees 29? Where are these services available? How quickly does someone actually arrive as a house help? And perhaps most importantly, are prices this low going to last? Hi, I'm Nupur and you're watching Control Z, your cheat code to navigating adulthood. Let's begin with what these apps actually offer. Think of it as a quick commerce for household chores. Instead of employing a domestic worker regularly or calling someone you actually know, you open your phone, you open the app, select the work you need to be done, and book someone for a specific amount of time. Urban Company's Insta Help, for example, promises to send a worker in around 10 to 15 minutes for everyday chores such as sweeping, mopping, washing dishes, laundry, and basic meal preparation and even. Snapit operates on a similar on-demand model, and clearly people are using these services in large numbers. For example, on this Sunday, Urban Company said that Insta Help crossed 1 lakh delivered orders by 5:54 p.m. in the evening. Snapit said it had already completed more than 1.15 lakh jobs by 6:50 p.m., with more expected before the day ended. Now that is a remarkable number for a category that barely existed at this scale a couple of years ago. But there's a big reason consumers are trying these apps. Price. Screenshots reviewed by the Times of India showed Urban Company offering Insta Help standard at promotional rates of 30 minutes for 19 rupees, 45 minutes for 29 rupees, and 1 hour for 29 rupees also. Now that represented discounts of as much as 88% from regular prices at the location checked. Snapit was also offering 1 hour slots for 29 rupees in some locations, according to screenshots circulating on social media. Now, there are two important caveats. First, these are promotional prices. They may vary by neighborhood, time, and availability. They should not be treated as the permanent price of the service. And second, instant doesn't always mean available instantly. By around 7 p.m. on Sunday, for example, Insta Help's instant service was unavailable at a particular location according to a report on Times of India. The earliest available booking had moved to the following morning. That tells us something important about how this business actually works. Getting customers to book is one challenge. Having enough workers available exactly when those customers want them is another challenge altogether. And that's why both companies are racing to build scale. Snapit's growth has been particularly rapid. The company says it has gone from around 400 jobs a day to more than 1.15 lakh jobs in 2 years. During the April to June quarter alone, it completed around 4 million house help jobs, including 1.51 million in June alone. It currently operates across 10 cities including Mumbai, Delhi, Gurgaon, Noida, Pune and Hyderabad, covering more than 150 micro markets. Now, Urban Company's Insta Help began as a pilot in Mumbai in March last year and has since expanded to selected neighborhoods across major metropolitan cities. And there is another competitor in the race, Pronto. According to figures cited by Money Control, Insta Help completed around 1.9 million orders in July, Snapit around 1.85 million, while Pronto crossed 1.25 million bookings. So what we are seeing is the beginning of a potentially much bigger battle for your household chores. And consumers have seen this playbook before. When companies enter a fast-growing category, aggressive discounts can encourage people to download the app, try the service, and build a new habit. But the crucial question is what happens after those discounts disappear. You might think of Jio. Now Snapit itself says its cash burn per completed job remains below 250 rupees, although that figure has fallen by more than 100 rupees quarter on quarter. The company says its consolidated net order value after customer discounts has crossed 130 rupees and maintains that its growth is not primarily being driven by aggressive discounting. For customers though, the takeaway is simple. Don't assume that a 29 rupee house help is the new normal. These prices are part of the current competition environment and can definitely change. Instead, when comparing these services, look beyond the headline discount. Check the final price after fees, how much time you're actually booking, which chores are included, worker availability in your neighborhood, and the quality of service you receive. Because ultimately, that is what will determine whether people will keep using these platforms once introductory offers become less generous. Now, there is also a bigger change happening. For decades, household help in Indian cities has largely operated through an informal neighborhood network, referrals from neighbors, housing societies, or workers themselves. These companies are trying to turn part of that informal market into an app-based on-demand service. Snapit says its platform now generates more than 1 lakh earning opportunities every day for a network of over 25,000 workers, whom it calls experts, and that it has enabled e-Shram registration for eligible workers. The company is already expanding beyond cleaning into categories such as home cooks and salon at home services. For consumers, that could mean something genuinely useful. Household help when you need it without necessarily committing to a full-time or regular arrangement. But the real test begins when the discounts fade. Because crossing 1 lakh orders proves that people are willing to try instant house help. Whether they are willing to pay the actual long-term price for it will determine whether this becomes another permanent app on your phone or simply a very cheap experiment.